Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile not launching. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile not launching, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll search about FIFA mobile here and you click. Then you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Here in this page you will enter to first stop. Then we click on storage, but don't click here clear data because that can make a lot of problems on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.